Holding in your sneeze can literally hurt your brain. When you stop a sneeze, all that pressure has to go somewhere, and it can shoot straight up into your head and even burst tiny blood vessels. So yeah, trying to hold in a sneeze is like turning your head into a shaken soda can. And trust me, it's not the explosion you want. Doctors have seen people injure their ears, throat, even their brain just by holding in a powerful sneeze. Crazy, right? So next time, just let it out. Achoo! Your brain will thank you later. Follow for more informative videos.